matrices part 34. Today discuss about definition of rank of matrix. Definition of rank of matrix. For a square matrix of A, the maximum orders of non-singular square submatrices of A is called a rank of A. It is denoted by rank of A. Once again, the square matrix of A, the maximum orders of non-singular square submatrices. Non-singular means determinant is not equals to 0. Non-singular submatrices means a matrix obtained by deleting some rows or columns or both. That is called submatrix of given matrix. So, submatrices of A is called a rank of matrix. It is denoted by rank of A. Note, first, if A is non-zero matrix of order 3, order of A equals to 3 by 3, then rank of A, find the rank of A. So, listen, first one, rank of A equals to 1. If every 2 by 2 submatrix is singular. If every 2 by 2 submatrices is singular, 2 by 2 submatrices is singular, 2 by 2 matrix is singular. Singular means determinant are equals to 0. That is called singular matrix. Every 2 by 2 submatrix is singular means that rank of A equals to 1. Listen carefully. Rank of 2 by 2 submatrix is determinant equals to 0. Then 2 by 2 order of matrix 2 by 2, then determinant is 0, then that means singular, determinant is 0, then the rank of A equals to 1. Next, rank of A equals to 2. If A is singular means determinant is 0 and at least one of its 2 by 2 square matrix, at least one of its 2 by 2 submatrices is non-singular. At least one 2 by 2 submatrix is non-singular, then rank of A equals to 2. Once again, if A is a singular, that means determinant equals to 0. Then after you take submatrix, at least one 2 by 2 submatrix is non-singular, then determinant is not equals to 0, then rank of A equals to 2. Next, last, rank of A equals to 3. If A is a non-singular matrix, 3 by 3 square matrix, determinant is not equals to 0, then rank of A equals to 3. Once again, listen carefully. 2 by 2 square, for example, you take a 2 by 2 square matrix, determinant, find the first, you find the value of determinant of A, 2 by 2 square matrix, determinant is 0, rank of A equals to 1. Determinant of is not equals to 0, then that means non-singular, determinant not equal to 0, then rank of A equals to 2. To take a 3 by 3 matrix. So first find the determinant of A not equal to 0, then rank of A equal to 3. Then determinant is 0. You take 2 by 2 submatrices, 2 by 2, any at least one 2 by 2 submatrices is non-singular, at least one, kanisam okati, at least one 2 by 2 submatrices is non-singular, then rank of A equals to 2, rank of A equals to 2. The rank of matrix, find the rank of matrix, one is 1 0 0 0, okay, it is 2 by 2, order is 2 by 2, order is 2 by 2. So, find matrix, given matrix A equals to 1 0 0 0. Find det A, 2 by 2 square matrix. Det A, 1 into 0 minus 0, 0 minus 0. Det A equals to 0. 2 by 2 is singular, then rank of A equals to 1. Rank of A equals to 1. 2 by 2 is singular, then rank is 1. Non-singular, rank is 2. Next, find the value of given matrix A equals to 1 0 0 1. Find 2 by 2 square matrix. Find det A. 1 minus 0. 1 is not equals to 0. 2 by 2 is non-singular. 2 by 2 is non-singular. Then rank of A equals to 2. Rank of A is equals to 2. It is 2 by 3 matrix. It is not a square matrix, rectangular matrix. So, first you take a square matrix of A. So, you take square matrix. Square matrix means it is 2 by 3 matrix. It is rectangular matrix. You take a submatrix of given matrix. Given matrix A equals to 1 0 minus 4 2 minus 1 3, okay. So 2 by 3 matrix, submatrix of A is B equals to any row any column. Last column is delete, 1 0 2 minus 1, C3 is delete. Right, det B, determinant of B. So it is 2 by 2 matrix. 1 into minus 1 minus 1 minus 0. Minus 1 is not equals to 0. It is non-singular. So rank of A equals to 2 by 2. 2 by 2 is non-singular means rank of A equals to 2. Right. Given matrix A equals to 1 4 minus 1 2 3 0 0 1 2. It is 3 by 3 square matrix. 3 by 3 square matrix. First find the determinant of A. Det A plus minus plus 1 into column row delete 6 minus 0 minus 4 into column row delete 4 minus 0 minus 1 into column row delete 2 minus 0 1 into 6 4 into 4 minus 1 into 2 6 minus 16 minus 2 6 minus 18 is equals to minus 12 is not equals to 0. 3 by 3 square matrix is non-singular. It is non-singular. Therefore, rank of A equals to 3. Rank of A equals to 3. Find the rank of 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. 3 by 3 square matrix. Given matrix A equals to 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. find det A, 3 by 3 square matrix, 1 into 1 minus 1 minus 1 into 1 minus 1 plus 1 into 1 minus 1, 1 into 0 minus 1 into 0 plus 1 into 0, that is equals to 0. 3 by 3 is a singular matrix, singular. Then submatrix of A is B is equal any 2 by 2, 1 1 1 1, 2 by 2 square matrix. Find det B is equals to 1 minus 1, that is equals to 0. It is also singular. 2 by 2 is singular. 2 by 2 is singular. Therefore, rank of A equals to 1. Rank of A equals to 1. Most important 2 marks problem.